With Hootsuite's Pinterest integration, you can compose and publish pins with the Hootsuite dashboard. Publishing pins with Hootsuite saves time. That's because you can schedule and post to multiple accounts and boards at the same time. To compose and publish a pin, click the Compose dropdown and select New Pin. Next, select your organization and the boards you want your pin posted on. You can pin to multiple boards at once. You can also create a new board by clicking the plus sign, selecting your Pinterest account, and entering a board name. Set the board to secret if you don't want it visible to the general public. Secret boards could be useful for planning a surprise event. Now click Create Board to finish. Next, add an image for your pin, either from the media library or by uploading a file from your computer. You can view a preview of your pin on the right side of the window. Every pin must include a link to a website. Add your link to a relevant website in the space provided. Then add a description for your pin. You can choose to send your pin now or schedule them for a later date. Once you've selected a date and time, click Schedule. You can view your scheduled pins in the publisher. Click on the description to view the accompanying image. Scheduled pins can also be edited or deleted. Enterprise users can also view and edit their scheduled pins in the Content Planner.